This 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored VGF 383G2 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler RV features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.